everyone! Welcome to another episode of Crafty Wednesday. For today's video, we'll be making a DIY flower pop-up card that you can give to your mom this Mother's Day. First, kuha kayo ng square paper and fold it in half diagonally twice. Then, fold it in half yung dalawang flaps on each side. Using tape as a guide, magdraw kayo ng curve and cut. Pag inopen mo siya, this is what it should look like. Grab your coloring materials kasi magko-color naman tayo ngayon. This part is optional lang pala. You can do it as detailed or as simple as you want. Nag-draw lang ako ng spikes using the lighter color. Papatungan ng mas darker ang lalagay ng outline and using the darkest color sa pinakagitna ng flower. Bet ko rin siya lagyan ng highlight using oil pastel. Maglagay ako ng dots sa loob and pollen using yellow pastel. We're going to cut yung isang petal tapos doon naman sa isa natin lalagay yung pagdikitin lang and now we have one complete flower. Gagawa ulit ako in another color. Same steps lang nung kanina but this time yellow naman. In total, we need 7 flowers. Fold lang natin yung mga flowers in half. Now, follow this guide kung saan dapat ilalagay yung adhesive na pagdidikitan natin ng flowers. Question of the day, what quality does your mom have that you adore? Let us know in the comments. Yung mama ko, she's kind, very loving, and selfless. Going back, kumuha ako ng thick paper and kasuberan para maganda. Ngayon, dito natin ilalagay yung adhesive, flip, and then dun din sa kabila. Moment of truth. Now, I'm cutting a 5-petal flower and nilagyan ko siya ng details parang yung kanina. Cut ko lang i-curve yung edges para magmukhang 3D. Magkakat din pala tayo ng leaves maliliit para sa labas and malalaki para sa loob. Nilagyan ko ng konting detail. Ngayon, de-decorate na natin yung labas. In-arrange ko lang yung flowers ng pabili. Then, I added leaves pati na rin sa loob. Nagsingit na rin ako. Nag-calligraphy lang ako ng dedication, then get a strip of paper and fold it in half twice. Sa second fold natin ilalagay yung adhesive, then nilagyan din natin ng glue yung magkabilang dulo ng strip. Ididikit natin sa gitna like this. Lastly, nilagay ko lang yung dedication sa labas. And we are finally done. Here's our completed pop-up card. Sobrang ganda nito lalo na sa personal, parang magical. And it's one of my favorite crafts. I'm sure your mom will love this. Bye guys!